fun with Jane Harm. We're building a tree house. Right now we're working on the rock wall.
Where's it gonna go?
It's gonna go right here, and then we're gonna make another one that goes inside. It's gonna be so cool. You should probably have adult supervision with this project. So we're working on a tree house, and right now we're doing the rock wall. I don't really have a strategy for laying them out. Sure. These two are footholds. This one is a handhold, and then brown and red are the same shape, and they're also handholds. So what you want, the reason that these ones are handholds is because you can put your hand on like that and pull yourself up a lot better than you could with this or this. So this is for your hand, but then eventually you'll use it on your foot. Yeah. So we got these off of Amazon, and they're plastic. And it kind of looks, and they have little designs. I think they actually might help you with your grip. So I like the colors, how they're spread. So that's a thumbs up. And then, I'm not sure about climbability, but it looks climbable. So, still testing. I'm testing the layout. Okay, good. Dad drilled these holes, and now I'm going to tap these threads in. I don't think that's big enough. Is it big enough?
Yep, that should work.
Well, I don't think that one's working. Oh no!
One at a time.
How's that?
That's a good start. I can finish them from there.
That's cleaned up. There. Now that we have the metal threads on this side, we're going to flip it over and put the grips on the other side. I'm putting these bolts into the rock to secure it. And we're using washers so that it doesn't pull through. We have an Allen head ratchet that we're going to use to put these in the rest of the way. I'm screwing it in.
So the other way, Jay, when it clicks, it means it's not doing anything.
Yep. We've got these all bolted on. We just had to drill a couple of holes in the beam so that it would stand. Okay, we got one half up. Now we got to put up the other half and a ladder in between. All right, let's test it. could add one thing to it, I would add a handle or something right here.
I have one in the house for you.
Okay. So we've now put up both sides, and we have to make some adjustments on the back where bolts came through.
What kind of adjustments?
We had to make holes in the beams that hold it up so that the bolts could go in. And then as for these other ones that are still sticking out, we're gonna cover them.
What do you think of it?
Ooh, I love it! My side of the treehouse is ocean themed, and this is the rock wall. Thank you for watching.